It's now open, everybody. The ropes course is now open. And it's just over here. The scrim walls have finally opened up. And the ropes course, oh, it's beautiful. It's finally open. The ropes course opens up two ways from the new redemption area and arcade, as well as the Rathskeller. And then I believe these scrim walls are finally where the water park is going to open. Also, we have our rock climbing walls right here as well. All right, here are the prices. So it's $8.99 for the climbing walls, $17.99 for one trip on the ropes course, $21.99 for both one time, and $39.99 all day for both. And in case any of you are wondering, the name of the ropes course is called Jacob's High Flying Adventure at Bavarian Inn. All right, I've gone back up to the top here, to the outside. Right below there is the ropes course, and below there is the Rathskeller. Looks good. So they've started putting some concrete down. It looks like this area here, like up to the tower entrance and all around there, this is gonna be a circle right here, what I'm guessing. Yeah, it looks like there'll still be parking around here when the fences go down, when they open this all up. And they've also been hard at work doing that part up by the roof. Hopefully that gets done in December. And another thing is that this big doorway where the big machines get in and out has not been covered up yet. So that's another thing to monitor here. So the indoor-outdoor pool or hot tub, whatever it is, I think it might be a hot tub, but it could be a pool as well. I have no idea. We'll stay tuned. And then the outdoor pool, which will definitely be a pool, is also looking good too. I'm on the sidewalk now, almost out by the road. And as you can see, they're getting some stuff up in the inside, and it looks like they're making good progress. I hope eventually that this gravel parking lot here gets paved and turned into one of the Bavarian Inn parking lots, because they're not going to have as much parking, considering this whole water park used to be a parking lot 2 years ago. Although they have turned a few spots, like all the way down there, they've made a few more parking lots, and it's a good thing to see. As usual, the water slides look great. And it looks like the bricking is almost done too. And as you can see, they have a small area in between the road and the bricking for a sidewalk coming back. And speaking of sidewalks, they extended the path at Heritage Park to connect to these sidewalks too. And they've also got cranes around the back now, doing something with the swim up bar. And they're also putting glass on the back here, which is a good sign. That's gonna be it for this one. Make sure to drive a like and subscribe. And as always, stay for more content.